Hi students, and welcome to Cochise College. This video will provide you with tips on how to use our online learning platform called Moodle. Even if your class is held at a campus classroom, your instructor may require you to use Moodle to access course materials. If you have blended or fully online classes, then you will use Moodle to complete some or all of your coursework. You can access Moodle from the college portal. After you log in to my.cochise.edu, click on Academics from the left navigation and then choose My Classrooms Moodle. Once you're in Moodle, you'll see a left navigation, a main content area in the middle, and the blocks column over on the right. The left nav can be hidden by simply clicking on the small icon above that navigation. Click on the icon again to bring it back. When the semester begins, your courses will appear in the left navigation underneath My Courses. Some of your classes may appear a few days early, while others may not be available until the official start date. When your courses become available, you'll be able to click on them in the left navigation. Each of your courses may be laid out a little bit differently, but generally you'll find instructor information and the course syllabus in the top section. Important announcements are usually posted here as well. Please be sure to read all of the information presented by your instructor and proceed as directed. Before you start interacting in your classes, you might want to practice using Moodle, and we have just the place for you to do that. Click on the Student Resources link from any Moodle page. On the Student Resources page, you'll find a wealth of important information and resources. For example, MoodleSim provides you with Moodle practice activities. You can complete as many activities as you like, but if you do all of them, you can earn the certificate and badge. In this next tile, you'll find Moodle tutorial videos and a list of frequently asked questions. Following that is Testing Center information and a link to their appointment scheduling system. We also have study tips and a link to register for a free Grammarly Premium account. This next tile provides Respondus Lockdown browser help. And finally, this last tile has a list of commonly used college phone numbers. If you need help with Moodle or you have questions about Moodle that your instructor can't answer, just click on the live chat icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of any Moodle page. We're available during the college's regular business hours, but if you write after hours, we'll see your message as soon as we return. You can reopen the chat window at any time to view our response, plus a copy of the conversation will be sent to your college email. I hope this tour helped you to get started using Moodle, and send us a chat anytime.